In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Pipedrive CRM. To get started, make sure you're already logged in to your Pipedrive account and that you have access to the workspace where you want to install the app. We'll be using an app called Dealbot for Slack, which acts as the bridge between Pipedrive and your Slack workspace. From inside Pipedrive, look towards the top navigation bar and find the three dots icon, usually labeled as More. Go ahead and click on that. In the menu that opens, select Marketplace. This is where all available apps and integrations for Pipedrive are listed. Once the Marketplace page opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Dealbot for Slack. Wait for the results to appear, and then look for the app named Dealbot for Slack in the list. When you see it, click on it to open the app's detail page. Here, you'll be able to see a description of what the app does, its permissions, and some basic information about how it integrates with Slack. On this app page, you'll find an Authorize button. Click Authorize to begin connecting the app to your Pipedrive account. After that, you'll be prompted to select a user from a drop-down list. This is usually the Pipedrive user who will be associated with the installation. Choose the appropriate user from the drop-down, then click Next to continue. You'll now be taken to the App Permissions page. This page outlines what Dealbot for Slack will be able to access in your Pipedrive account, such as deals, activities, or notifications. It's a good idea to scroll through and quickly review these permissions so you understand what's being shared. When you reach the bottom of the page, click Allow and Install to confirm and proceed. Next, you'll be redirected to Slack to connect your Slack workspace. If you aren't already logged in, Slack will ask you to sign in first. Make sure you select the correct workspace where you want Pipedrive notifications and updates to appear. Once you've confirmed the workspace, Slack will show you a list of permissions for Dealbot as well. Review those, then click Allow. After you click Allow, the integration will finish setting up in the background. At this point, your Slack workspace is linked to Pipedrive through Dealbot, and you're ready to start receiving CRM updates directly in Slack.